Hi everyone, and welcome to this drawing tutorial of drawing a man in a sinkhole. And what I do first is I draw in a little pond, and that is kind of a warning, of course, at that sinkhole. But the man is falling in there anyway. So here's the pond and the foot of the pond, and then you draw in 4 stripes that are rounded. Then the first thing you want to do is to draw in a nose and 4 fingers on the left and right side of the nose. On top of the fingers I draw in the nails. Then from behind the nose, of course, come the eyes. And the eyes are wide open because he's kind of in panic, of course. So his eyebrows are pointed up. And here you see his bald head and his ears. Now the little man is hanging from that sinkhole, and he is shouting out for a little help here. So I draw in the word help, and then it's time to draw in the sinkhole itself. I just make some scribbly lines. And the lines go behind that pond, like so. And of course the pavement has some kind of thickness, so I draw in some extra lines to give that the thickness that I want. Also, there are some cracks, of course. So I draw out some cracks in the corners of that sinkhole. Then it's time to give your drawing some color. First I use the color yellow, but as you can see, I spare out a little stripe of white on the right side of that pond. Now the light is coming from the right corner, so I keep this in mind. Then I take the color orange and I go over the color yellow. I still spare out that stripe of white on the left side. Then it's time for red. The red I only place on the left side because that is the side of the shadow, and also for the foot of that pond. And I also use my graphite pencil to draw in a little bit of shadow in the white parts. Then it's time for the color black. I use that color for the shadow that is casted by the pond onto the foot of the pond and on the pavement. But I also need to color in everything in that sinkhole. As you can see, I carefully draw around the word help, and everything else has to be colored in all black, all pinch black. So I make sure not to leave out any little pieces of white. I draw a big crack here coming from his fingers. And then also the little man needs a little bit of shadow on the left side of his head, and also just behind the fingers and the nose. I also put a little bit of shadow into the eyes. Now for the thickness of the pavement, I also draw in a little bit of shadow on the right side of that pavement. A little bit of extra shadow on the white spots of that pond. And then it's time to draw in some little bit of tiles for the surface of the pavement that the little man was walking on. As you can see, the lines go out and out as if you would do when you were drawing perspective. Then I place in the horizontal lines, and as the drawing is going to the top, the lines get more vague. The tiles in the front are more specific. Here I draw in a little bit of extra shadow for the foot of the pawn. And then I blur everything a little bit out with my finger. Well, then my drawing is as good as finished. I erase some little helper lines, and now I can make some awesome pictures. If you enjoyed this, I hope you will give it a big thumbs up, and I wish you all the luck on your drawing. Share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.